Order filled.
Perfect. Got in the long here. Let's see. Looks like a really nice retest. The 1 hour candle now flipping. We also look at the 15-minute. We have a pin bar. I think makes a lot of sense. If we trap this now again, then I think we will probably drop heavily. Once we start to breaking these highs and we have closures around this area, we can look if we can manage our risk in here, because now we have the flip. Since we have 3 bullish candles in this area with a huge wick, now you would expect the next candle to do a move like this. Nothing crazy, only 50 points, pretty much nothing for NQ. We are getting a retest on the midnight, and I will check the lower time frames. Maybe we get a scaling potentially, you know, if you start to hold up this area, and maybe you get some confirmations on the lower time frame, or manage our risk, put the stop loss break even or something like that. Doesn't have to be always that we get into another position. So 5-minute candle close as a doji, so this is very bad, to be honest. We need some good bodies in here finally, you know, otherwise I will cut this trade. So right here now I need a continuation to the upside. We have 2 minutes for the 15-minute candle close. Last minutes of the 15 is always when the moves happen. So if we want to push to the upside, it will be now, because remember this, guys, especially with our strategy, if the market is going to move, usually the move will be an easy move because we get in when the manipulation is done. So if the trade is taking like ages to develop, then I already know most likely I will get stopped out, so I can manage my risk and cut my losses short. If we start breaking the highs, I will move my stop loss to break even as well. I can move my stop loss to break even here. Unfortunately, I cannot add to this position because I didn't get a 1-minute manipulation candle there, so it's too risky for me, but I can move my stop loss to break even because it makes sense at this point. Why does it make sense, guys? Because we re-broke the highs. 15-minute candle also broke the high. I don't want to see now a flip, you know, because the 1 hour candle will flip again. Look at that bearish momentum there. Very good decision. Very nice. Very good decision to not scale in there. Bit unlucky if we push up now. The candles look disgusting. I'm glad my break even got hit, to be honest, because I would not want to be in this position anymore.